Hi guys! Ready na kami!
Ha? Magpawi.
Ay! Bye!
In 400 meters, make a slight left.
For it. Just your bag. Nice. Wait lang po.
We're here. Hey guys, upon arriving at the airport, you can always check your check-in counter number here. If it's already open, you can fall in line to get your check-in bags dropped, as well as the hard copy of your boarding pass if you checked in online. We're here na sa check-in counter. Yes? Nakabahan na kami guys. HKG.
Ayun ba?
Yes po. We have a check-in bag, so we have to go here even though we already checked in online. So we just presented our e-boarding pass and passport here to get the hard copy of the boarding pass, and then after that we proceed to the immigration to fall in line. Ay, wait, ayaw mag-focus. Yay!
Hindi pa rin nakafocus na.
Nakalampas na kami ng immigration, guys. It's so easy, it's so chill. Nagatawanan pa kami ng I.O. Yun yung experience ko. Medyo nakakaba at first. Yay! We're going to Hong Kong! Gate 115. Gate 115. How's your immigration experience?
Approved!
How's your immigration experience?
It was so easy.
I know, right?
They didn't even ask me like so many questions, even though I'm a freelancer.
Same. For context, 4 over 5 of us are first-time international travelers, so we're very nervous about going through this, along with all the TikToks and Facebook posts about it being scary. But actually, just be confident and enthusiastic answering the questions, and everything will be fine. And of course, having all the needed documents along with you. How about you?
What's immigration? Hindi ako dumaan doon.
Thank you, Lord. Sabi niya pa, last year niya pa pala ito plano. Sabi ko, o nga pa, buti na tuloy na. Sabi niya, anong work mo? Sa accounting po, may license ka? Ay, hindi pa, bali sa ano po ako. Sa finance, ganun. So sabi niya, pero sinabi ko na rin kasi na freelance, ganyan. So sabi niya, may ano ka, mapapakita kang ano, ganun. Tapos binigay ko na yung certificate of earnings. Ganito pala maging vlogger, nakakaingat. And guys, we're so happy. We're going to HK.
See you Hong Kong.
See you Hong Kong. Laters. Yeah, let's eat muna.
Hi guys! Hi! Circa 1998.
Yun yung effect pag sa mga video.
Oo nga. Cute. Nice.
We just finished eating lunch. Punta na kami sa gate, guys. Gate 115.
Where are we?
Currently waiting for boarding.
Opak.
Nagtaray, parang may model mo.
Ay, may model.
Nakalampas sa I.O. Guys, super easy lang na I.O. Huwag kayo maniwala sa
Shoot for boarding.
Ay, ang dami.
Documents ka lang talaga.
Ay, ang ganda.
Kasi yung nag-interview sa akin, parang siyang mansion.
Ano po?
Sino kasama mo? Yung friends ko.
Yung friends ko po. Legit nga, legit.
Yung haba ko, dinala ko sa pagiging. Hello po.
Wala na siya. Masaya ka eh. Diretso, ano po ulit?
Natakot talaga ako sa kanya. Kasi yung mata.
Oo.
Ano? Parang ganun siya.
Kasi nagtanong siya. Pinatatakan niya na kasi. Nagtanong siya, okay lang.
Pero nasanay ka tayo.
Tanong ko, susundayin mo ba ako?
Ganyan ako yung nag-usap.
Kanina, buti na. Doon ako ng HMO ko.
Kasi? HMO?
Sabi niya, HMO ka? Sabi ko, meron. Sabi, sige, patingin ako na.
Ang taring ng mga tanong sa'yo.
Oo nga, sabi ko, buti na ako siya. Tapos?
Ang bilis sa akin. Parang nakalimutan ko na kung ano una niyang tinanong sa akin. Basta nung tinanong na ko about sa work ko, hindi ko agad sinabi yung freelance. Nang sabi ko, accounting, ganun. Tapos sabi niya, may license ka na. Sabi ko, ay hindi po ako accountant. Ano po, pero work po ako sa under finance. Ganyan. Freelancer po. Sinabi ko na yung freelance. Tapos sabi niya, parang kung meron daw ba akong document. Ang nilabas ko yung certificate of earnings sa Upwork. Saka yung, pinakita ko mismo yung Upwork ko sa phone. So, nakita niya yung parang overview nung week ko, yung hours, ganyan. Sinanong niya ako kung, basta parang medyo nagtatawanan na kami. Sabi niya, bakit daw yung sa certificate of earnings ko, palit ng paliit? Sabi ko, hindi niya yata nag-intindihan. Kasi parang ano yun eh, kunyari, May 2023, ito yung na-earn mo. By August, ito yung na-earn mo. Parang ganun siya, medyo iba yung format. Working. Ito nagmamaganda lang dyan. Ayun, nagcha-charge. Hello po. dalawang kamay. Welcome sa vlog ni Joya. Hi! Vlog takeover. Feel na feel niya ako. Feel na feel niya ako. Gusto ko yung ano, yung may time check. Hi guys, it's currently... Hi na ko guys. May change of gate. 5:07. So from gate 115, punta kami ng gate 106. Daming time ah. Daming time ng nag-waka later. So tired na. From gate 115 to gate 106. End to end kami. Finally boarding! Boarding time!
Before going in, and always take caution when securing your carry-on bag.
Another tip is to bring a pen with you to fill out the arrival card they will give you during the flight. You need to present this to Hong Kong Immigration along with your passport to enter.
Titiisin natin yung gutom natin. Mamaya tayo kakain. Ang motto ko for this trip ay maging nonchalant at makapalmuka. Kakainin ko na lahat ng hiya ko. Wala na akong pakialam. Wala na akong pakialam. Yung mga kasama ko dito guys, tingin ang tingin sa menu. Ang goal ko sa trip na to hindi magtipid. See you in Hong Kong!
Ano pa na yung eSIM namin? Iba yung tsura niya.
Wait, we're about the passenger. Thank you so much.
Ang ano? Ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. We're here, guys. Oh, wow!
There's a bus waiting for us after the flight. It took us to the arrival entrance and I was shocked as it went straight to the immigration when we go up, which is different from the Hong Kong vlogs I watched when they needed to walk further and ride a train inside the airport to go to the immigration.
Diretso na. Done with immigration. Let's get our luggage. Oh, this is mine.
Kita ka.
Dito namin ginawa yung baggage namin. Number 10 and then tawid lang kayo. Meron na ditong CR. Pwede na rin mag-refill ng water and dito na rin mag-withdraw using GoTime. Done withdrawing 15 HKD for 10,929 Philippine peso. So parang 7.28 yung palitan. Focus. Ayaw niyo mag-focus. Done na kami mag-CR, withdraw. We're gonna look for the octopus card, add value machine, and then we're gonna go home. guys, if you're gonna add value to your Octopus card, look for the train tickets. Kailangan yung gantong sign, add value machine. Kasi iba to eh. Yes, serious mode.
Hindi lang ako eh.
To city. Ayun, diretso lang. Diretso lang for bus. Okay. Ito na kami sa bus.
Time check.
Hi, Chard. Okay, ano daw? Time check. 10. Mahirapan. Pagod. Wala pa kaming ginagawa nun na. Sa airport pa lang kami.
Day 0 pa lang.
Dito kami sa front. Luggage. Ayun tayo dito guys, so never heard. Ito pa guys, di ba rin ito natitikman?
We're staying at Comfort Guest House in Chungking Mansions, and there's a lot of bad reviews here about the people who approach you, as you can see in the video. You can just say no respectfully and go on with your day.
Kung di ka lumingon.
Kababayan tayo.
Dito na kami sa Chungking Mansions. Hi guys! We're here at Comfort Guest House!
Mga pagod.
Ito yung family room nga to, girl. Kasi yung triple room, parang dapat 3 single lang. So, mas mura to. Like, affordable siya kumpara na lang sa mga mamahaling hotel. Maganda yung location niya. Siguro yun cons lang nga. Yung maraming mga ibang lahi na mag-approach. Pero kung depende naman din kung paano mo sila sasagutin.
All in all, our place was near a lot of things and it was convenient. The train station was across the street and there were a lot of famous shops around the corner. There were a bunch of different people in the building and will most of the time try to approach you regarding their businesses, but as long as you say no or walk away, they're not gonna follow you. Just always be mindful and respectful. Anyway, this is where I'm gonna end the vlog, guys. There's a lot of clips I have for all the days we spent here. So bye, stay amazing.